Oh, I don't have students with me, so don't worry, okay? Don't be shy. It's only me.
Okay.
I'm no one.
5 wonders of Canada. The Bay of Fundy. The Bay of Fundy. What is the Bay of Fundy? Why is it famous? The Bay of Fundy is, as in its name, a bay. A bay is where land goes into water. It is famous for the world's highest tides. Tides can reach 15 meters.
One moment, please. Are you recording, Laura?
I believe so.
Because, oh yes, it's recording. Okay, keep going. It's because it appears for me on the top saying that it's recording and I didn't see it. Okay, go on. Sorry.
Okay, go ahead.
5 times higher than the typical tide. The Bay of Fundy is 270 kilometers long, Ocean Bay. Location. The Bay of Fundy is on the Atlantic coast of North America. It is on the northeast end of the Gulf of Maine, bordering the provinces of New Brunswick and Nova Scotia. Why is it called the Bay of Fundy? The Bay of Fundy got its name from the French because of the word fondue, which means split. Others believe that came from the word funda, in Portuguese meaning deep. Both of these words describe the Bay of Fundy.
Yeah, thank you for the Portuguese. I recognize it.
Oh, good one.
The things to do. There are many things to do at the Bay of Fundy, like in New Brunswick, you can go to Petite Passage, whale watch tours, Pirates Cove, whale and seabird cruises, Fundy Adventures, Municipality of Digby, and so much more. There are many places to stay in New Brunswick, like Florentine Manor, Home Port, Historic Bed, and Breakfast, Hilton's, St. John, and more. In Nova Scotia, you can do the Huntsman Fundy Discovery Aquarium, Jolly Breeze Tail Ship Whale Adventures, Quoddy Link Marine, Island West Marine, and so much more. There are many places to stay in Nova Scotia, like Digby Pines Golf Resort and Spa, Breer Island Lodge, Falcourt Inn, and more.
Niagara Falls.
Wow, that's impressive.
What is Niagara Falls? Niagara Falls is the most famous waterfall in Canada. It's 51 meters tall and 670 meters wide. It is 56.6 meters deep. You're probably wondering where all this water comes from. Well, that's a good question. The water comes from Niagara River, which is the river under the lake that comes off Lake Ontario. Location. Niagara Falls is located on the Niagara River, which connects to the 5 Great Lakes, Lake Erie and Lake Ontario. Also, it is bordered with another country, Wheatfield, NY, United States. Niagara Falls. What you can do at the falls. Well, now that you know a bit about the falls, you're probably wondering what you can do. There are many activities such as going on a tour around the falls, but the best thing you can do is go behind the falls like shown in the picture. You can also go on a boat ride near the falls, which is also shown in the picture.
Oh, you can go behind the falls?
Yeah.
That's amazing.
There's a tunnel behind the falls.
There's a tunnel behind the falls where you could go and walk to go behind the falls.
Wow, very good. I would like to do that.
Boat ride. When you go on the boat ride, it takes you around the falls so you can see it up close. If you ever go to Canada and want to go on the boat ride to experience the fall up close, here are the prices. The adult ticket is $17. The child ticket is $9.90. And 5 years old and under is free, but they have to have an adult with them. Journey behind the falls. The journey you will go behind the falls. You will get wet and it will be very loud. And you'll have something to cover you, which is included with the cost. And the adult cost is $16.75. The child cost is $10.95. Hotels. Now, you know how amazing Niagara Falls is. Do you want to stay there for several days or even spend just one night? There are many hotels that face the falls, so you can stay in a room with a beautiful view of the falls from your window. Also, when you see the falls at night, guess what? The falls at night change colors like shown in the picture. Usually the prices of the hotel room is $9 to $199 per night.
Oh, how come it changed color?
I think there's lights that project to it, so then
I imagine it. It's not natural.
now that you know about the falls, the activities, location, hotels, we encourage you to come here and visit. Go for it. The world is yours.
Thank you.
The Canadian Rockies. What are the Rockies? The Rockies are a major mountain range located in Canada and the United States. The Rocky Mountains include over 100 separate ranges, which are usually divided into 4 groups: the Northern Rockies, the Middle Rockies, the Southern Rockies, and the Colorado Plateau. And some things about the Rockies are the ranges in the Rockies stretch from northern Alberta and British Columbia southward to New Mexico, which is a distance of about 4,800 kilometers. And the highest mountain in the Canadian Rockies is Mount Ross. So some animals that live in the Rockies are elk, white-tailed deer, pronghorns, bighorn sheep, lynxes, and wolverines.
I just thought of the X-Men now. Wolverine.
Yeah. Well, the Wolverine's the little thing in the corner. And then some other animals are mules, mountain goats, black bears, grizzly bears, wolves, and coyotes, which are also here.
Very good.
And then there are 5 national parks in the Rockies, including Banff National Park, Jasper National Park, Caney National Park, Waterton National Park. And some things you can do at the Rockies are river rafting, hiking and camping, nature and wildlife tours, ski and snow tours, mountain biking, zip lining, bungee jumping, kayak and canoeing, and you can also relax in the hot spring.
Very good. Thank you.
The Aurora Borealis.
Oh my God. I can't believe it.
The Aurora Borealis is a natural night found in the northern parts of our country. You can see the colors of green, yellow, blue, purple, red, and pink. Red is not very common to see. Many times the Aurora Borealis is many colors together. Where does it get its name? The Aurora Borealis is named after Aurora, the Roman goddess of dawn, and Boreas, the Greek god of north wind. The Aurora Borealis is sometimes called the Northern Lights, which you may have heard it referred to. Where to find the Aurora Borealis? In Canada, you will find the Aurora Borealis in northern Canada. Provinces like Yukon, Northwest Territory, and Nunavut is where you could find it. You even see them in provinces like New Brunswick or Alberta, so you can really find it all over the country. Aurora Borealis. History. Inuits, one of the natives to our country, thought the Aurora Borealis was spirits. Some people thought it was a fire bridge too. The Aurora Borealis was named by Galileo in 1619. Why is it important to Canada? The Aurora Borealis is only found in a few countries in the world. You can find it almost all over Canada. Canada is one of the most popular and famous places to find the Aurora Borealis. Gros Mountain National Park. Gros Mountain National Park, what is it? This park has very unique features, some features like mountains overlooking beaches, forests, and cliffs. It has lots of wildlife around the national park and beautiful valleys. Location. Gros Mountain National Park is located on the west coast of Newfoundland. Things to do. There are lots of things to do in Grouse Mountain National Park, like boat tours, water sports, theater, museum, outdoor activities, tours of the park, shopping, zoos, aquatic zoos, landmarks, hiking, camping, and lots more. Why is Grouse Mountain National Park a wonder? This wonder of Canada is a wonder because it is the second largest park in Atlantic Canada. It is a landmark where people from different countries can come from all over the world. There are unique things about it, like some of the park is water and different islands. Some parts of our mountain are flat. There are also living things like animals and plants. I hope you've learned a lot about this amazing wonder of Canada. I have learned this unique park has lots of features, and if you want to see it for yourself, you have to come to Newfoundland, Canada. Go for it.
Very good.
Thank you for watching our presentation about the 5 wonders of Canada. We hope you have learned something new about our natural wonders. We encourage you all to go to Canada and experience these wonders for yourself.
Very good. Congratulations. Wow. I don't know what to say.